Yeah, actually, this program we thought that to bring all the Aurovillian, particularly Tamil Aurovillians together, to know how we can contribute to Auroville through Tamil language, because Tamil language is the local language, and Mother has said that the first language is Tamil language. So how to contribute ourselves through our mother tongue? So we have gathered just like that, just a few days ago, and then decided to have this program. And with the help of Aware Lakshay team, we managed to make it happen. The first day, the first day it was for it is called Tamil Annai. It means the mother and the language. So it in the first talk and also the first day, it was the day for international mother language, that is mother tongue language day, international day, Taimori Dinam, and also our mother's birthday. So as a coincidence it happened, we did not think that this thing is coming on that particular day. Just we started, we wanted to start on mother's birthday, so we started on 21st, and also we wanted to invite women. So women empowerment is very, very important, and it is always said in Tamil language, we have to empower the women. If the society needs to move to the second level or the further level, we have to empower the women. So the women empowerment is one of our main interest to have this, to conduct this program. The music, we didn't plan actually, we planned the first day and then the last day, 21 and 28. In between, the plan was given by Meenakshi Akka. She framed how you can carry this week-long program. So with her help, we have managed to do that. Particularly this music, the children who were there, they all enjoyed very much. And also it tells about the nature, it is about the sky, it was about the sky, it was about a bird, and about various kinds of things we sense in those days. Nowadays we are missing many things, so he was telling about whatever we were missing, so it was very good actually. Yeah, temple architecture, Tamil temple architecture, and also history of Tamil. So both the speakers were giving their Tamil history and Tamil architecture, Tamil temple architecture. Many things which we did not know about the temples, it was explained in that on that day.
Why is that?
That is pity actually. We can say that, because we are living in an international city, and most of us, not only in Auroville, many places, we are forgetting about our traditional worships, because of the modernization. So we are more into the cinema, mobile phones, those things. We never worship the gods, and we forget to go to temples. In the recent years, there are a few youngsters. You can see in YouTube, there are many youngsters. They are explaining about Tamil temples and the importance of to understand our Tamil gods. So that is the thing. Because of monetization, we are forgetting about our Tamil gods and everything. Murugan is called as Tamil god, but in Tamil language, the mother is the god, the considers Amman, mother goddess. So Amman is later it becomes Muruga, Lord Muruga. So the main god is mother goddess. Actually, if you go back further, we worshipped nature. So nature, the trees actually, particularly trees, trees, rain, sun, those are the things we worshipped in the beginning.
Nature worship.
Nature worship, yes.
Yeah, worship.
Yeah. So, for example, we call Mariamman. It means the goddess of the rain. So we can understand how we relate mother goddess to the nature, and neem tree, which is very important for us to worship. So those are the things which we connected to nature always. Actually, the other day, 2 days ago, we had a professor. He did research on temples. So he told us that the temples were created to protect the trees, the nature actually. And you just told me that the big statue, those things to warn the people, to make, to bring the fear. If you make a mistake, there is God to punish you. So, and also to protect the trees, if it is located in the vicinity of the temple, no one will cut down. But nowadays, nobody cares about that. Just they go and cut, and they are extending the temples. They are not extending the forest. They are just cutting down the trees and extending the temples. Now they are misunderstanding. Also, it is misguided also.
Not Jallikattu.
It is Manjivirattu. Manjivirattu. No, it is. It was done previously. It was done in a different manner. They fire crackers so that the cows and bulls get feared, and then they will start to run. So it is the day to make the cow or bull to run fast. So it is called Manjivirattu. So yeah, we had very very interesting people yesterday. 2 were from Pondicherry University, Professor Panch Ramalingam and Arangan Murugayan, and then we had Arivan. So 3 of them were very elaborate actually. They have given about how the people who went to the other parts of the world from Tamil Nadu and how they suffered due to unknown language. When they move to the other parts of the world, they have to learn the other language. They know only Tamil, but when they go there, they will be they will put in a difficult situation to learn other language. So one of the thing he told us that in Mauritius, I think, new language was created with the French and Tamil language. So new language was created, and it was also yesterday. It was about Atichudi. The Atichudi is like alphabets of Tamil letters. Avayar has given kind of a poem which says about how we make ourselves well disciplined. Aram Seye Virumbu. There are many things. So it was a wonderful day yesterday. Yeah.
You missed something.
I have also missed because in between I was not there. I had to take care of some people at Mathimandi, so it didn't happen. Yeah, I was out for some time, so I missed it too.
And so we have something.
Yeah. So today,
Tomorrow.
Yeah, today we had on Yadam Ure Yavaram Kailir. So it was also.
What does that mean? We were trying to figure out. She was looking at the phone. She couldn't get them.
Yeah, it is all men are brothers and sisters, and I have to even I forgot about that. Yeah.
Okay.
So it says the place wherever we live, it belongs to it is similar to our charter, homeland. Yeah. So in our charter it says Auroville belongs to nobody in particular. It belongs to humanity as a whole, which is the same. Yadam Ure Yavaram Kailir. There is a beautiful English sentence, but I don't know. I forgot actually. So, and yeah.
So what was the discussion?
So
about
discussion.
the gist of that?
Yeah, the discussion was about two things. One, which impressed me, is that the light. The light has to come from up and it goes through the body and it leaves. So this is what Ayya Saram Adiglar said. So which is also similar to our Mathir Mandir. When you at this meditation chamber, you can see the crystal, the light from the sun, and it goes through the crystal and it goes down. So and also
The lady talked about Sanskrit and Tamil.
Yeah, Sanskrit and Tamil were the oldest language, and but I was not there actually when she was telling. When she started, I went to get something from outside. But later, yeah, no, yeah. So Sanskrit and Tamil are very old language, but Tamil is the only language still people could read and write and speak. Sanskrit, it is now
A dead language.
yeah.
It's
We
only
can
in texts.
in text. It is only in text and books. Yeah. So we should not allow Tamil to go in that direction. So this 1 week program is also how to bring the Tamil into next level, actually, to how to bring it to the next level, and also not to modernize. We do not want to go modernization means in different manner, to bring
Internet or maybe
internet in Tamil. So when you bring those things, science into Tamil, so it is already happening. It is done. Many of them have done. So, but in Auroville, what are we doing? That is my main concern. We speak Tamil. That is the only thing we are doing for Tamil language. Being local people, what we are doing for Tamil. Unless we learn Tamil, we cannot learn anything. So not only, I'm not saying not only for Tamil, for anybody who speaks, they have to respect their mother tongue. Unless they learn their mother tongue well, they cannot learn any other thing. So it is the main source, which helps us to learn many things. And Tamil has many literatures. The other language doesn't have. Tamil has many literatures. And even personally, I don't know much about the Tamil language. So that is why our friends, my sisters and brothers, we are all going to do it from this year. We want to do it every year, every month, every week. We want to do something. We want to get together. We want to learn, and we want to invite scholars, and we want to learn from them. Yeah, sincerity is more connected to this 1 week event. It is sincere to your mother tongue, sincere to the mother, and learn whatever mother said. There is many books translated to Tamil. We are not reading mother's book, Arabindo's books in English. And if somebody says it is difficult to learn, it is available in Tamil. What are we doing here? We go to work in the morning, go back home, watch TV, eat and sleep. We never give few minutes to learn about what mother has said. So we have to be more sincere to the mother and to our language, and also we have to respect each other. We have to spread love. It is also one of the, you can see there's a thread in this full event so far happened. Love, love, love. If you take from the day one, love was spoken. Second day, yes, love. Today also the love, our Ayya has mentioned about the love. So love is needed, and also at present situation we need to love everybody.